नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज मी तुम्हाला BA-LLB सेकंड सेमिस्टर यांचा जनरल इंग्लिशचा विद्यापीठाचा 2023 हिवाळी परीक्षेमध्ये झालेला पेपर या ठिकाणी इंट्रोड्यूस करून देत आहे. मी प्राध्यापक एम आर जोशी, मेडसेट श्री शारदाभवन एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे कॉलेज ऑफ एज्युकेशन नांदेड येथे सध्या असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर या पदावर करत आहे. चला तर पाहूया BA-LLB फर्स्ट इयर सेकंड सेमिस्टर जनरल इंग्लिश. सुरुवातीला त्या ठिकाणी इन्फॉर्मेशन वाचा. दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर कंटेन्स 6 प्रिंटेड पेजेस. कोड PR33/2023. इथे फॅकल्टीचं नाव फॅकल्टी ऑफ ह्युमॅनिटीज लॉ, BA-LLB फर्स्ट सेकंड सेम एक्झामिनेशन नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबर 2023. जनरल इंग्लिश पेपर सेकंड. हा पेपर फ्रायडे 15/12/2023 कंडक्ट झाला होता. टाईम ड्युरेशन होते 2 PM to 5 PM. टाईम 2 hours. मॅक्झिमम मार्क्स 50. सुरुवातीला सूचना वाचा. नोट बी. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट एनी 5 क्वेश्चन्स. 5च सोडवायचे त्या ठिकाणी. सेकंड ऑल क्वेश्चन्स कॅरी इक्वल मार्क्स. सगळ्या प्रश्नांना समान मार्क आहेत. पहिला प्रश्न पॅसेजवरचा असतो. रीड द फॉलोइंग पॅसेज केअरफुली अँड आन्सर द क्वेश्चन्स दॅट फॉलो. 10 मार्क्स. डेझर्ट्स आर द driest place on earth and sometimes go for months or even years without rain, but even the desert animals can't survive without water or for long periods in the scorching sun, so they have to find different ways of coping with the harsh conditions. For example, Gerbil spends the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows and strange insects called drinking beetles are experts at catching drops of moisture on their legs. Then deserts them endless seas of rolling sand dunes. Some are rocky and some are dotted with small bushes, while others are sprinkled with colorful flowers during the spring season. On second page, here questions are given on the passage. Questions: why are deserts the driest place on earth? Second, can desert animals survive without water? Third, how do gerbils face the scorching heat in the desert? Fourth, how do drinking beetles get water? Fifth, are all deserts seas of rolling sand dunes? This question carry 10 marks. Second question, do as directed, and it 10 marks. First, as soon as the police arrived, the thief ran away. Use no sooner dash than. Second, no sooner does the court open than advocates appears with case papers. Use as soon as. Third, he is intelligent and hardworking. Use as well as. Fourth, she is dash Indian artist. Use an or a. Fifth, they were present in the court today. Add a question tag. Sixth, they were too busy to catch the thief. Remove to. Seventh, they can run. Use able to. 8, as soon as teacher explained the poem, he left the classroom. Use hardly had dash when. Ninth, he is very small. Make it exclamatory sentence. On third page. 10th, what a great leader he is. Make it assertive. 11th, he writes a letter. Identify the tense. Third question, correct any 5 of the following sentence giving reason. First, he were student. Second, they are students, aren't they? Third, who are you? Fifth, he is a honest person. Fifth, my friend is speaking English. Seventh, Ram live at Bombay. Ram live at Bombay. Seventh, I were going to Pune. Fourth question, change any 5 of the following into direct speech. 10 marks. He said, comma, inverted comma, I am ill. First question, first sentence, he said, comma, inverted comma, I am ill. Second, कॉमा इन्व्हर्टेड मध्ये, वेअर डू यू लिव्ह क्वेश्चन मार्क, द स्ट्रेंजर सेड. थर्ड, ही सेड टू हिज फ्रेंड, कॉमा इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा, डोंट ईट धिस ॲपल. Fifth, I said, comma, inverted, in inverted, I shall reach in time. Let's visit the Taj, he said to his friends. 10 marks यासाठी आहेत. On fourth page, fifth, teacher said, the earth is round. Fifth, Gita said to Sita, how are you? Fifth question, change any 5 into degree of comparison, 10 marks. First, prevention is better than cure, change into positive degree. Second, no other writer in English is as famous as Shakespeare, change into positive degree. Third, the rose is the most beautiful flower, change into comparative degree. Fourth, Ashoka was one of the greatest Indian emperors, change into positive degree. Fifth, Ram is as good as Sham, change into comparative degree. Sixth, painting is more difficult than photography, change into positive degree. Eighth, seventh, tiger is one of the wildest animals in the forest, change into positive degree. Sixth question, give meaning and use in your sentence any 5 of the following words and items. 10 marks for this question. First, complainant. Second, affidavit. On fifth page. Third, amicus curiae. Fourth, defendant. Fifth, caught red-handed. Sixth, per capita. Seventh, vice versa. Seventh question, read the following advertisement and write an application letter. Required, legal associate, 10 marks. Qualification, BA LLB LLB LLM with first class plus 3 years experience at civil side in High Court. Write to KSL legal associate, Dadar, Mumbai 41001. Or write a letter to your friend, congratulate him or her in success in competitive examination. Eighth question, read the following passage and make notes from it, 10 marks. There are different kinds of musical instruments. They are divided into 3 main classes according to the way they are played. For example, some instruments some instruments are played by blowing into them. These are called wind instruments. In some of these, the air is made to vibrate inside a wooden tube, and these are said to be of woodwind family. Examples of woodwind instruments are the flute, the clarinet, and the basin. And the basin. Other instruments are made of brass, the trumpet and the horn. For example, these are also various other wind instruments such as mouth organ and bagpiper. Some instruments are played by banging or striking them. One obvious example is the drum, of which there are various kinds instruments like this are called percussion instruments. The last big group of instruments are the one which have strings. The which have strings. There are two main kinds of stringed instruments, those in which the music is made by plucking the stringed, and those the player draws a bow across the strings. Examples of the former are the harp and guitar. Examples of the latter are the violin, the cello. तर अशा प्रकारे मित्रांनो हा जनरल इंग्लिशचा पेपर आहे, 50 मार्काचा आहे. कोणतेही 5 प्रश्न तुम्हाला सोडवायचे आहेत. फॉर गायडन्स पर्पज हा मी अपलोड केलेला आहे, ॲज अ गेस्ट म्हणून नाही, तर फॉर गायडन्स पर्पज आहे. तर याचा यूज करा, परीक्षा द्या. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थँक्यू. सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा.